complex number, which is the weightage is 2 marks of 2 क्वेश्चन, 2 मार्क्स से 2 क्वेश्चन और 4 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन होता है. इन दिस वीडियो विल टेक, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस introduction part of complex number, what is a complex number and what are the different types or some formulas, and especially 2 marks questions we will discuss in this video. Okay, now first, what is it mean of complex number? Complex number है क्या आपका? Complex number है क्या? Complex number is nothing but when you are solving, might be in earlier classes, छोटे classes में imaginary, whenever we are getting some under root value minus, ठीक है, whenever you are getting under root -1 or -5 -6, there we know that these are the imaginary parts and we used to leave them, वहाँ छोड़ देते थे. But here we'll consider this as I is equals to root of -1 and we will solve that problem. So I is equals to root -1, that is a what here, iota, imaginary part. We'll consider root -1 is equals to I and we'll start the solving. ठीक है, the general form of complex number, general form of complex number किस तरह से होता है? Z is equals to, will always denote by Z. Z is equals to I plus A plus IB, where A is real and B is imaginary part. B is imaginary part. ठीक है, A हमारा रियल पार्ट है और B हमारा यहाँ इमेजिनरी पार्ट है. We can write different types of, we can write complex number in different manners, different forms में लिख सकते हैं. We can represent, this is here in form of A comma B, that is called Cartesian form. ठीक है, we can write complex number in the form of A comma B also. We can write, this is in the what here, trigonometric form, that is Z is equals to R into cos theta plus I sin theta, we can write. ठीक है, this is also complex number. इसको polar form भी बोलेंगे, mod amplitude form भी बोलेंगे, trigonometric form भी बोलेंगे, everything. ठीक है, polar form भी हम यहाँ बोल सकते हैं. We used to say polar form also. We can write, this is here e power I theta also we can write. ठीक है, Z is equals to e power I theta we can write. ठीक है, in different forms we can write. Generally for your examination purpose we take only the 2 parts. ठीक है, यहाँ सिर्फ हम 2 parts के लिए presently in the Cartesian, either in the Cartesian or in the what here, Z is equals to A plus IB. ठीक है, these 2 form generally we will use for your what here in your board examination. ठीक है, तो we'll write some properties, इसके थोड़े properties लिख लेंगे हम लोग and then we'll do some problems. जी बच्चों, तो if it is in the Cartesian form, let Z1 equal to A comma B and Z2 equal to C comma D, means Cartesian form means nothing but X comma Y type. And if it is a standard form, Z is equals to A plus IB and C plus ID, then these are the algebra of complex number, means Z1 plus Z2, Z1 minus Z2, Z1 into Z2, Z1 by Z2, किस तरह से हम ऐड करेंगे. Generally we'll add what here, simply A plus C, B plus D. When we are doing Z1 minus Z2, A minus C, B minus D. Z1 into Z2, nothing but here formula, remember the formula, AC minus BD, BC plus AD. Z1 by Z2, same, instead of AC minus BD, AC plus BD by, as Z2 is their denominator, consider, let it for remembering purpose, C square plus D square. Same, BC plus AD is there, BC minus AD, Z2 is the denominator, so C square plus D square, as Z2 is equal to C and D. Additive inverse मतलब Z is equals to A comma B, then minus Z is equals to minus A minus B. Multiplicative inverse, if it is given Z equal to A comma B, then multiplicative inverse is this is here. Same, this is in the standard form. The standard form is when we are doing standard form, remember that I will come. ठीक है, it is a complete one unit. A plus C comma B plus D is there in Z1 plus Z2. Here then Z1 plus Z2 when we are doing in standard form, A plus C plus I of B plus D. इसी तरह से Z1 minus Z2 है, then A minus C plus I of B minus D will be. So these are the some basic formulas. Based on these formulas here, we have the 2 marks question, mostly for 2 marks question for based on these formulas here. Okay, we'll solve some problems here. Let बच्चों, I have taken one question here. Given that Z1 equal to 2 comma minus 1, Z2 equal to 6 comma 3, then find Z1 minus Z2. As I said, if Z1 equal to A comma B and Z2 equal to if we have C comma D, then Z1 minus Z2, just nothing but real part minus real part, यानी A minus C minus is there, so A minus C comma B minus D. Similarly here also what here, A nothing but 2 minus 6, B minus D minus 1 minus 3, ठीक है. Then 2 minus 6 nothing but minus 4, it is minus 4. So Z1 minus Z2, in this way we can find it, ठीक है. It is easiest way, basic question. Example, let it Z1 into Z2. What if Z1 equal to given 3 comma 5 and Z2 equal to given 2 comma 6, then find Z1 into Z2. यहाँ क्या करेंगे बच्चों, just remember the formula. Z1 equal to if you have A comma B, and Z2 equal to if you have C comma D, then Z1 into Z2 formula is given that. हम क्या लिखे थे बच्चों, what is the formula we have written? Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2 formula we have written AC minus BD. We have written AC minus BD, comma BC plus AD, AD plus BC, BC plus AD, ठीक है. Now that is what is this is A B C D. A means 3, C means 2, minus B means 5, D means how much here, 6, B means how much here, B means how much here, 5, C means how much here, 2, A mean how much here we have 3, and D mean we have 6, ठीक है. AC minus BD, AC 3 into 2 minus B into 2, B into D 5 into 6, and BC 5 into C 3 into 6, ठीक है. Then 3 2s are how much here, 6, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18 here, ठीक है बच्चों. तो अभी यहाँ क्या आएगा आंसर हमें, 6 minus 30 नथिंग बट minus 24, and 10 plus 8 nothing but 28. So this is a what here, Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2 is equals to minus 24 comma 28. This is a what here, Z1 into Z2. ठीक है, इस तरह से हम फाइंड करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल इफ इट इज गिवन Z1 by Z2, अगर Z1 by Z2 दे रहे हैं हम, तो what is the Z1 and Z2, you know that. What is the Z1 by Z2 formula? What is the Z1 by Z2 formula? It says here Z1 by Z2 is same as again AC, instead of AC that is nothing but AC plus BD by C square by D square, already we have written. Next, instead of BC minus BC plus AD, it is a BC minus AD by C square plus D square, already we have written the formula, just you reference it, get it back. AC plus BD, what we have, just I am writing here, already we have written AC minus BD, AC plus, that is nothing but 6 plus 30, instead of directly I can write, otherwise okay, this number is different, okay. 6 into AC, 6 into 2 plus B nothing but 3 into D nothing but minus 1 by C square, this is a C and D, so it is a 2 square plus minus 1 whole square, comma B mean how much we have here, 3, C mean how much we have here, 2, minus A mean how much we have here, 6, D mean how much we have again here, minus 1 by 2 square plus minus 1 whole square, ठीक है. C square plus, this is a C and D, when you are writing square, whole square you write. Now 6 2s are 12, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 2 square mean 4 plus 1, and 3 2s are 6, ठीक है. And it is how much here, 6 into minus plus 6 by 4 plus 1, ठीक है बच्चों. Then what I will get it here, 12 minus 3 is nothing but 9 by 5, and 6 plus 6 nothing but 12 by 5, right. Okay, चलिए, these are Z1 minus Z2 we have done, Z1 into Z2 we have done, Z1 by Z2 we have done. Now what is additive inverse and multiplicative? I said that when Z equal to A comma B, I said additive inverse means to make it 0, what we should do it, additive inverse nothing but minus Z is equals to minus A comma B, minus A comma minus B, nothing but whatever the number is at 3 comma 4, minus Z is equals to, this is minus 3 comma minus 4 is the additive inverse, this is the additive inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse here? We have multiplicative inverse, what is that? If Z equal to A comma B is there, ठीक है, Z equal to A comma B is there, then multiplicative inverse is nothing but Z inverse is equals to, what we have, Z inverse is equals to, what is the formula we have, A by A square plus b square and minus b by a square plus b square. This is our formula. a मतलब क्या है बच्चों यहाँ 3 by a square plus b square, nothing but 3 square plus 4 square and minus 4 by again 3 square plus 4 square. 3 मतलब 3 by 3 square मतलब 9 plus 16 minus 4 by 9 plus 16, that is nothing but 3 by 25 and minus 4 by 25. So these are the basic questions, right? तो यहाँ here we'll get some idea to what is that complex number, किस तरह से हम solve करेंगे, basic idea मिला है. Still we have to do for more questions for 2 marks here. We'll continue few questions in next video. ठीक है, thank you, जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.